Goddamn, you's a clown to me. You's a clown to me. You can't smoke no black a mile with me. Get in the car with me.
We up at Bel Air. We got like some quesadillas. Hot Sarah. Oh, what the fuck? We with that nigga with dinner.
Okay, so
Queso. So we got in the cart is green onions, some cilantro. Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck we just doing, bro. Nigga just bullying. I need some G series time out. Get down on it. Hey. Get getting jiggy with it. These hecka lace, bro. You got beef, Sarah? You got beef?
nah, cause I got steak.
Don't stop with the dance moves, bro. Oh God.
She tryna leave with me, she running for. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Say that I can hit that shit so greasily. I'm a dirty dog, I did it sleazily.
Oh, I mean, we getting Tillamook. Cheese. So what you're gonna need is cilantro, some green onions, some steak, then wherever the cheese, the tortilla, it's on the bag to make these quesadillas. Is you really crying? You see those tears, bro? You see those tears?
Insert Drake tear.
We gonna put some passion fruit. We gonna put some Drake song on here, bro. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I have a knife in my hand. I'm crying. Do not go near. You know, cilantro got bad parts too, so you got.
Yay! She crying, bro. Is you for real?
Look at that.
Look at the camera. Say something to the camera. Come on, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. You're too dark for the camera. Ooh, what is that? Whoa.
Onion, green onion, cilantro.
Did it again? What made you cry? Whoa. Wait, back up a little bit. Like, just. I'm gonna trust her with a knife. Oh shit! I'm not recording, dude.
I am.
They don't want you to cut onions. Because it makes you cry. cut the meat into squares, and then you want to get them to smaller than it was before. Cause look how good that looks. Teamwork is the dream work. Saute? You ready to saute? Saute. Saute.
Move your.
Put the steak in the pan.
Yay, yay!
Okay, cooking good.
I'm like James Harden with the chef, boy.
Look at my sauteing skills. Woo! We'll hit you up when the steak's done.
Yay. Just want to move it around. As time goes by, you just want to move it around. Move it around like that. You know what I mean? So you don't get like, you want to move it around a little bit so it doesn't burn. Don't shh me. I'm hyped, bruh. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. You gotta be hyped when you cooking. Put it on like, look how good that looks, like. Chef Deezzy is in here. Alright, you the guinea pig. Tell me how it is. I'm scared too.
See that?
How good is it? How good is it? Lying, bruh. She over exaggerating. I need to try mine.